I am very delighted to see a group full of young people that are just being guided together to passionately portray love for their country. Uganda is all that we have.
While speaking at the official opening ceremony of a 2-week patriotism training program of student leaders from different higher institutions of learning across the country, being held at Nkumba University, Honorable Nyamutoro, who represented the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Anita Among, emphasized that student leaders should be proud of their Ugandan heritage.
I am honored to address you at the opening of this patriotism training. As we are all aware, nations are built on love, devotion, and attachment of the citizenry. That is the gist of patriotism. Patriotism is the foundation of national identity. We must love our country in order to identify proudly with it. I am glad that the National Secretariat for Patriotism Corps has deliberately targeted you student leaders. You occupy a unique position that qualifies you to be catalysts of change.
Honorable Nyamutoro recognized the purpose of patriotism being instilled in the youth, urging that it fosters a sense of unity and responsibility among young Ugandans.
Through this training, you will be able to cross-pollinate ideas, attitudes, practices, and perceptions of the millions of students out there. The inculcation of patriotism will enable us to transmit our national values, norms, and ethos to the young people and shape them as loyal and productive citizens. I urge you to ensure that you are the mustard seeds of patriotism in your various institutions of learning. This will require you to first have mastery of the subject matter of patriotism and thereafter organize appropriately to disseminate the knowledge gained here.
The training, which commenced on January 3, 2025, aims to equip student leaders with necessary skills and knowledge to become informed and patriotic leaders.
I also urge the National Secretariat for Patriotism Corps to cascade this training to other segments of society as a strategy to galvanize a stronger sense of nationhood among the citizenry.
They are here undergoing patriotism development course. The purpose of this training is to equip them with enough knowledge and expertise on how to handle and address different challenges. Because the leaders, we believe that leaders are supposed to be problem solvers, and that's why we are equipping them with capacity and capabilities on how to address different challenges.
My lesson, when you think about Africa, think about 4 things. Number 1, Africa is the greatest land ever. The second issue of Africa, Africa is the origin of man. When you think about Africa, think about the beginning of civilization.
Being part of this training has been an amazing experience so far. There's been too much of the drills and physical exercises, but also of the ideological trainings, which I must say have been great and impactful on a life of a youth.
It is part of the National Secretariat for Patriotism Corps' efforts to promote patriotism and national unity within the country. The training emphasizes the importance of civil responsibility and encourages young leaders to actively participate in building a better future for Uganda.